What's up, guys? It's AP. I just want to say a few things. I want to get on here and talk about a few things. Because we are about to start the strategy series this week. And before we start the strategy series, I wanted to talk about a few things that you need as we start this strategy series. If you're going to be following along, if you're going to be tuning into them and actually watching them. Most videos will be about 15 to 20 minutes, no more than 40 minutes a day. Um, really, I wanted to talk about one of the biggest things that you need as a trader before you start any kind of strategy. You need discipline and you need patience. If you don't have those two things, no strategy will ever work for you. I don't care what strategy you have, what strategy you found. If you don't have discipline and you don't have patience, no strategy is just going to fucking print you money like out of thin air. It's not. Unless you have patience and discipline, those two things. I mean, risk management, you can get by for a little bit without, managing risk. You can get lucky, but man. Sorry, I got a few text messages there is important. But like I was saying, patience, discipline. If you don't have these two things, man, you are gonna go nowhere in trading. The market will never respect you. The market will never give you the results that you want it to give you. Um, One of the biggest things that I believe is that the market does pay patience. The market does pay patience. It truly does. And another thing, it pays discipline just as much. If you are disciplined to taking 1 to 2 trades a day, you are disciplined to only taking trades off your setup and they're A plus setups only, there's no reason why you won't succeed. If you're disciplined to the 1 to 2 trades a day, if you're disciplined to managing your risk, if you're disciplined to, yes, I lost $500 today, that's my 1% of the day, that's all I want to lose. If you're disciplined and you get off the charts that day and you move on to the next day, who knows? That next day could have been a 2 grand day. Day after that could be a 2 grand day. Fucking, you just cut out all your losses in 1 to 2 trades, 4 trades, and made a shit ton more on the week. So, I mean, patience. Let the market come to you. Like, don't force setups, don't force trades, and don't force things in life. Like, these things from trading, you should be carrying everything over from trading and applying it to your daily life. You need to be disciplined on everything you do. Anything you say you're going to do, you go and do it. You need to find something that gets you up, gets you out of bed, gets you motivated every fucking day. I don't care if it's going to the gym. I don't care if it's going on a walk. I don't give a fuck if you're starting to brush your fucking teeth or picking your nose. Let's stop picking your nose. Like, fucking find something that makes you uncomfortable, that you don't like doing, that you don't want to do, and fucking do it. Go find something that you've been telling yourself that you're gonna start and you've been pushing it off for weeks now, and go fucking start it. Go right now, start it. I don't care what it is. Go on YouTube, look up one video, whatever it is, man. Go and do that 1% every day. If you're disciplined to giving 1% every day towards your goals, you're crazy if you think you aren't going to reach your goals. So that's why I say if you aren't patient, if you aren't disciplined and you aren't patient, you aren't letting the market come to you, you're fucking forcing setups, you're forcing trades, you're trading at night, you're trading at 11:30 at night, fucking you're trading at 2 a.m., you're fucking trading 30 different pairs. No, stick with one pair, stick with one strategy, and master it. Master them. Master the pair, master the strategy, and master yourself. You master yourself, your strategy, and what you master those three things, bro, you are going to be so far ahead of everybody else in the first 1 to 2 months. And then a year from now, bro, you're gonna be sitting right on your goals. I promise. You're gonna sit right on those big long-term goals in a year from now. I promise. But all it takes to start off is patience, discipline, showing up every day, letting the market come to you, letting things come to you in life, not forcing things in life, not forcing the market upon yourself. Like you're genuinely taking the time day in and day out to work on yourself, work on what you believe in, and work on the goals that you want to achieve, if you do those, if you work on those three things day in and day out, promise in a year from now, you're going to be that person you want to be. You're going to be sitting right in that chair you want to be sitting in. You're going to be eating at the fucking tables you want to be eating at, bro. I promise. And I'm not lying to you. I mean, I'm barely tasted the shit yet, and I believe it. You gotta be delusional, bro. You gotta be so fucking delusional every fucking day. I can't think of a day within the past year and a half, it hasn't gone past my head. I want to get rich. I need to get rich now. What the fuck can I do to make money? How can I make money now? How can I find money now? I was forcing it upon myself over the past 6 months, 4 months, 3 months maybe. I'm learning patience. And then 2 months, I've been mad disciplined on, been like religiously going to the gym. I've been religiously meditating. I've been religiously I've been religiously reading the Bible. Like, I've been doing so, like, religiously working on myself like crazy the past 2 months. My discipline has, and ever since then, my life has 10x in 2 months. I'm waiting for that 100x though. If I keep being consistent and I keep working day in and day out, that 100x, that 1000x, straight up, we are not gonna have any resistance. Straight up. Huge fair value gap. It's how life's gonna hit us. If you just, how life's gonna hit you if you go day in and day out and work on yourself and work on where you want to go. But before we start the strategy series and before we get into any type of strategy, before I teach you guys any type of anything out of my mind, before I get anything out of my head that prints money, that makes money, you need to learn two things: patience, discipline. Because if you don't have that and you're thinking and you're going in here and you're thinking everything's fucking liquidity sweep, you thinking everything's a break of structure, and you're thinking it's all valid, you're thinking every single fair value gap's the entry point, you're gonna be cooked. Straight cooked, fam. There there could be weeks where you're taking one trade a week because we're waiting on the right sweep, because we're waiting on the right setup. It, it's just gotta have the patience, you gotta have the discipline, and you gotta have that fire under your ass to be better every fucking day. You have to. You have to be very, very, very disciplined and very, very, very patient. And you have to hold yourself accountable on all levels. There can be no ands, if, or buts about it. You have to hold yourself accountable. You have to do the things you say you're going to do. You have to show up every day. If you don't, it's ruined. It's out the window. The first day you don't is the first day you start new bad habits, is the first day you start telling yourself, I can't. Every day you should be telling yourself, I can, I will, I'm going. I can, I will, I'm going. I can, I will, I'm going. Those three things right there are going to get you so fucking far in life that 90% of people won't even see it fucking coming because they're too closed-minded and they don't even see where themselves are going in life. They won't even see you going right past them when you have that I will, I can, I'm going mindset every day and bring it to the table every fucking day. But I just wanted to come on here and give this to you guys before I start my strategy series. This is going to be episode one of the strategy series. And next video for the strategy, we're going to start with liquidity, what liquidity is and how to spot liquidity and liquidity sweeps. And we will get into that in the early of this week. It's Sunday, so tomorrow or Tuesday, I get pretty bored, so might make a video, who knows. But yep. Thank you guys for tuning in. Remember, work on being patient, work on being disciplined. And I know you don't want to, but go do what you've been telling yourself you want to do and you haven't. Go do it. Go to the gym. Go talk to that girl. Go fucking do something. Go on a walk, bro. Go walk your dog. Whatever it is, bro. Just go do it. Make yourself 1% better today. Tomorrow it'll follow. So, but y'all have a good rest of your evening. Have a good week this week. With all the crazy war news going on, stay safe out there. The world is crazy. You never know what could happen. Keep your head on a swivel, keep your eyes up, and look out for the person next to you. Peace.